Hey everyone, and welcome to the Digital Insider Hub. My name is Safrina and I'm from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. So today we're going to dive into the world of social media, but with a twist. We're going beyond posting and engaging as we're going to explore the powerful tool of social media listening. Imagine having a direct line to your customers where you can hear their honest opinions, concerns, and even praise. That's what social media listening offers. It's about actively monitoring online conversations about your brand, industry, and even competitors to gain valuable insights. Think of it like having your ear to the ground. Social media listening helps you uncover customer needs and preferences. You gain valuable insights into what your customers love, hate, and expect from your brand. Identify trends and opportunities. Stay ahead of the curve by spotting emerging trends and capitalizing on new opportunities. Address concerns and build stronger relationships. By proactively responding to feedback, you demonstrate that you care and build trust with your audience. Now, let's talk about how you can actually put social media listening into practice. There are various tools and techniques available out there, including social media monitoring platforms. These tools track brand mentions, relevant keywords, and industry trends across various platforms like BrandWatch, Sprout Social, and Hootsuite. Social media analytics. Analyze your own social media profiles like Facebook Insights or Twitter Analytics to understand your audience demographics, engagement metrics, and popular content. Search engines. Utilize advanced search queries to find specific conversations or topics related to your brand on platforms like Google or Twitter Advanced Search. Social media listening goes beyond simply observing. It's about actively engaging with your audience, respond to comments and messages, address concerns promptly, and show genuine appreciation for positive feedback. This fosters stronger relationships and builds brand loyalty. To illustrate the power of social media listening, let's take a look at some real-world examples. Dell identified a common customer complaint through social media listening, which is long wait times for customer service. So they implemented a live chat feature on their website, which significantly reduced the wait times and increased customer satisfaction. Wendy's. When a customer tweeted a negative review about their chicken sandwich, Wendy's witty and relatable post went viral, turning a potential crisis into a positive brand moment. So here are some practical tips to get you started. Number 1, define your goals. What do you want to achieve with social media listening? Is it to improve your customer service, identify product issues, or track industry trends? Number 2, choose the right tools. Select platforms that align with your budget and needs. There are free and paid options available. Number 3, set up keyword monitoring. Track relevant keywords and industry trends related to your brand and competitors. Number 4, analyze and respond. Regularly analyze data and insight from social media listening tools and engage with your audience through comments, messages, and posts. Number 5, measure and adapt. Track your progress by monitoring key metrics like customer sentiment, brand mentions, and engagement. Adapt your strategy based on the data you gather. Social media listening is a game changer for businesses of all sizes. By listening to your customers, you gain invaluable insights that can strengthen your brand, improve your products, and build lasting customer relationships. So, are you ready to start listening? Take the first steps today and see how social media listening can transform your business.